Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. The people that have trouble putting a outline around a text, these two were done two different ways. The first way is the way I normally do it. I'm gonna actually make a copy of that and nudge it over. You know what? I don't want to. I'm gonna take this one and nudge it up so it'll be closer. And then I'm gonna left click, right click, and you can't, the boundary tools don't work. So I'm going to go to object and break it apart, then grab it, go up to object and convert it to a curve. And then the boundary tools come up. I'm going to create a boundary around it. And then I'm going to see it's got the outside part. I'm going to go to effects and contour. I'm going to contour like 0.2 to the outside with rounded corners. And I'm going to say, okay. See, that just gave me a contour around that line. I didn't really have to do rounded corners in this case, but you could change it. Then I'm going to go to object and break the contour apart. And I'm going to grab the contour and I put a cut line around that font. Now the fonts that are closer are either touching or almost touching, like that's going to happen unless you do less. The other way to do it, and I don't really recommend, but I've seen people do it and it's a little bit kind of funny. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to get rid of these and I'm going to make a duplicate of that and move it down or up. I'm going to take this and I'm going to convert it to a curve. And then I'm going to change the pin point to like 36. And then I'm going to go to object, break, convert the outline to an object, grab the object and put it down. And then I'm going to left click, right click. And now I can move up. Now, by doing this, sometimes you're going to have little bitty spots where it did that, but that can be removed or kept. Let's turn this red just so we can kind of see it and move it up. And then that way, it's almost the same thing. Now, if you want to get rid of those spots, just go up to object, break curve apart. And if you'll swipe through the middle, well, I got too much. Swipe through, well, I'm going to get that part. Just grab, come from the outside and grab these parts. And then you'll have a cut line around it. I don't really suggest that, but I've seen people do it and it works pretty good. I prefer, because a lot of times people will contour. You can't contour a text. So you have to convert it to a curve first and actually break it apart and then select it, then go up to object and convert it to a curve. Now I'm going to make a copy of that. But then to contour it, you have to left click, right click to see an outside. And you don't have to put a boundary on it. You can contour it right now. But if you look under contour is not showing up because it is broken up. So if you will group it together, then the contour comes up and you can contour around it. That's probably the easiest way to do it. But don't contour when you have color, because then you're going to get stuff messed up. Now, if I would have done, I think it actually looks good with rounded corners. But let's just back up here and contour it with square corners. And see, now we got it. That's probably the best way to do it. Anyway, just an idea and hope that helped. Thank you for watching.